In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify footer using the Dawn theme customization process. This tutorial is designed to help you personalize the footer of your Shopify store, making it more aligned with your brand and also improving its functionality for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start on your Shopify dashboard. This is where you manage your entire store, and accessing it is as straightforward as logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, the next step is to look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the option labeled Online Store. This section is crucial because it contains all the visual templates of your website, including themes, that visitors will see when they browse your store. Click on Customize under the Themes section to get started with the editing. This will take you to the theme editor where you can make changes to different parts of your theme. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. It's where the magic happens, allowing you to customize various elements of your site's design. Once you're in the theme editor, navigate to the bottom part of the editor menu and click on Footer. The footer is an essential part of your website, and customizing it ensures that you communicate the necessary information to your audience while maintaining your brand's aesthetic. Next, you'll see several options that allow you to start tweaking different aspects of your footer. The first is selecting Email Signup. This feature is key for creating a mailing list. If email marketing is part of your strategy, and it should be, this is where you input and edit the details that encourage visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or updates. Now, proceed to click on Utilities. Utilities in the footer can contain links that are frequently needed, such as privacy policies, terms of service, or other important aspects that your clients might need to access quickly. Moving forward, you'll notice the option to adjust spacing. This is where you have the opportunity to manage how content is spaced or grouped within the footer. Good spacing ensures that your footer doesn't look cluttered and is easily navigable. Additionally, click on Padding to manage how much space you'd like around your content. Adjusting the padding can vastly improve the look and feel of your footer, making sure it's inviting to the eye and user-friendly. Lastly, don't forget to explore theme settings. Here you can further tailor the look of your entire theme with global settings that influence everything from colors to typography. It's a great place to ensure your branding is consistent and cohesive throughout the site. And that's it. With these customizations in place, you've now successfully edited your Shopify footer using the Dawn theme. Feel free to experiment with different settings to see what works best for your store and audience. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!